All right, guys, we got us a 2001 Lexus IS 300. I think it was, yeah, IS 300. You guys can see the intercooler right there. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys, got a high flow catalytic converter there, then 3-inch pipe that we did from the converter back all the way back into an EXPREME TI muffler that he brought. It's a titanium muffler, and it was like 3.5 inch, and the clamp he had didn't fit, so we had to make him a custom clamp, as you guys can see right there. To make it fit, we added a sleeve to it, made him custom hangers, all that good stuff. There it is, 3-inch pipe all the way back into his muffler, EXPREME TI. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for it. There's everything that was on it. Ugly. So we made it pretty. There's a stock MagnaFlow. He had a MagnaFlow on it before. Right there, 2.25 piping. That's what it looks like after. Much cleaner, much nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I like it. I didn't know what it sounded like before, so I wasn't here earlier. That sounds good. Sound decibels again. Right at 109. That's a nice stance. Give me a guess. Let you guys hear on the inside.
We're working on the light.
There's the motor. 1 second, sir. 1 second. I'm so sorry. 1 second. We're doing a YouTube video. Just 1 second. That's awesome, guys. I appreciate it. Wow, it's really clean. There you go, guys. Hope you guys like it. It's nicely done. It's not overly done. Just clean. It's awesome. There he goes, back up. Airbags, baby. Hope you guys like it, because we sure do. There he goes down again. Ha ha, that's awesome. He had a stick shift conversion done on it. You guys can still hear it. It sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.